First is from Russell George.
Diolch, Deputy Presiding Officer. Just imagine not just running up each of Wales's 3 peaks, but running 2 and in between each one of them, all within 34 hours. Well, that's what 6 people did as part of a relay to raise awareness and highlight the work of the charity Max Appeal. Max Appeal's mission is to increase awareness of and the understanding of and the coordination of care with people who have been diagnosed with the genetic disorder 22q11.2, deletion or DiGeorge syndrome, that affects as many as 1 in 1,000 people in Wales. The disorder can affect the health and quality of life from birth through to childhood and into adult life, with over 180 physical, functional and psychological associations having been reported. 6 of my constituents completed the Welsh 3 Peaks Challenge as part of a relay team. They started from Plas Robin Retreat in Llandyssil, Montgomeryshire, to Penrhyn in the Beacons, to Gadair Idris, and finishing with Snowdon. Not only tackling these 3 mountains as quickly as possible, but they ran the whole route from start to finish. That's 200 miles, which is the equivalent of 7.5 marathons performed back to back. Congratulations to Jordan Powell, who led the team, and also to Ria Davey, Conor Parry, Cameron Parry, Huw McGrath, and Tim Davies. They have almost raised £2,000, I think, which is a fantastic achievement, as well as raising awareness of this condition. And thanks should also be given to the sponsors and the many people who supported them to complete the challenge in aid of Max Appeal.